Hello everyone, I hope that you will be fine and having a good day. So in this tutorial series we are going to learn about HTML and what is HTML and how we use HTML to build web applications and web projects. So HTML is a building block in web development. HTML is responsible for page structure and content orientation. So in this tutorial we will be having a look at different tags of HTML and how we use those tags in building web projects, web applications and websites. So some questions that you will have in your mind are these: what is HTML? So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Now what is meant by markup language? A markup language is a programming language or a simple language that consists of different tags. And what are those tags? We will have a look at that when we will starting practical HTML. And the second question that you would have in your mind is that why HTML? So HTML is a building block in web pages. As I told you before, it is responsible for aligning the content on the web page. Now what is meant by aligning content? The aligning content means where we should put our bold heading, where we should put our italic text, where should we put our second heading, first heading, third heading, where should we put our images and lists, etc. All those things are handled by HTML. So how to use HTML? HTML is written in any text editor and you can choose any text editor that you like, but for initial tutorials I will be using Notebook, and for some advanced tutorials or some later tutorials I will be using Visual Studio. And you can also use Visual Studio from the starting of these tutorials. There is no restriction on any code editor or text editor. But now if you are a very beginner and you are new to programming, then you should have this question in your mind, which is what are the prerequisites for learning HTML? Means what additional knowledge you should have before starting to learn HTML. So before learning HTML you are not required to have any prior knowledge of programming or anything. It is a very basic thing in building web applications. So when we are starting from ground level, there is no prerequisite regarding any kind of knowledge or any kind of programming experience. Now fifth question that you will have in your mind is that how to learn HTML effectively. So it is very easy to learn HTML effectively. You only have to practice or code alongside with me as I am coding on my text editor on my code editor. So if you are following thoroughly and having a great interest, you will learn HTML very easily and very fast. So it is very important for you to have enthusiasm and a great interest in web development to learn HTML. So these were some questions regarding introduction to HTML and some basic questions that you would have in your mind and what we are going to use to write HTML. So in next tutorial we are going to have a practical look at some basic tags of HTML and how we write HTML in a text editor. So till next tutorial, take care and be healthy. See you very soon.